Hi you guys, welcome back. Welcome back to another vlog. Now, I gotta tell you, I sat down right now to edit said vlog, and I took like a big ass, chunky, chatty clip in the kitchen where I discussed a lot of different things, and it is not on any of my memory cards or already uploaded into my computer. It's not in the trash bin. I'm really confused to the point where I'm like, did I hallucinate the whole thing? I need to be, oh, there we go. But I remember saying, okay, I want to clean up this kitchen, but before we do that, let's go water the plants. And I have the footage of watering the plants, so I didn't dream the whole thing, which is a worry. I'm truly baffled. I have no idea, and I'm bummed. I talked about it. I remember the clip being like 15 minutes. It's probably for the best for you that it's lost, because who knows what I was saying? I do remember I started it on July 1st, and I was really excited because that night we were going to finish Stranger Things. I think I talked about how Bradley was going to be doing a hockey camp. I'm sure I was doing some complaining about how messy my life feels. That was a big part of it, is how I'm like really trying to like make an effort in my downtime to work on the house. And I talked about how our sprinklers were broken, which they've been fixed. And I feel like I refer to a lot of the things I said in this like opening monologue, we'll call it that, later in the vlog, but now you don't have that, so it's not, I don't know, I haven't edited it yet. I'm just sitting down because, spoiler alert, we have COVID again. Milo, sweet baby Milo, has COVID. He is on day 3. So far Bradley and I are testing negative, but I feel a little inkling in my throat today. And so I'm like, let me film this before I'm not in the mood to film it. But so it's been kind of an off, crazy week. You know, we're just trying to keep up and stay healthy and keep Milo healthy and comfortable. He's doing much better today, but we're gonna get into that later or in a different vlog, but do know that he is on the mend and he is feeling better as of today. Oh, a big chunk of my intro was that this video is sponsored by BetterHelp, which you guys know I am a huge fan of BetterHelp. If you don't know what it is a way to do therapy online with real licensed therapists from your home. I accidentally ended up doing therapy from home just because of the pandemic, and literally 2 weeks into my CBT therapy, we had to switch to virtual online, and I truly loved it. It just was comforting being at home, not having to get in the car and drive and sit in a waiting room, and knowing my dog was with me and my husband was there for a hug if I needed it. So if that part of therapy is stopping you from going to do therapy, BetterHelp may be the answer for you. All you have to do is take a little quiz when you sign up. It's a quick quiz just to get a better idea of what kind of therapy you're looking for. You'll be matched with somebody within 48 hours, and as soon as you match with someone, you can communicate with them, message with them, set up your therapy, and you can set up any type of therapy. A video call, just a regular phone call, or even an online chat if you're not in the mood to like be seen or heard. I really like BetterHelp because I feel like it's really accessible for a lot of people, especially if, like I said, one of those things like leaving the house. This is not Ludo, if you're confused. This is my brother's dog. My brother is at a wedding this weekend, so she's here with us. That's Luna, but we call her TT. I don't know. This weekend I've been calling her Martini TT. Again, I don't know. But anyway, if one of those things I mentioned, just therapy in person, is a hurdle for you in order for you to get therapy, I think BetterHelp is just a fantastic option as far as options. It's available everywhere in the world, so no matter where you are watching this, you can get therapy through BetterHelp. And I just think it's a fantastic resource. I know the world is literally nuts right now. We all have a lot of feelings, a lot of burnout, a lot of anxiety, and if you are wanting to talk to somebody, BetterHelp can help. If you're wanting to try it, you can use my link, which is BetterHelp, HELP.com/AmyLynn, and you'll get 10% off your first month of therapy, which is so awesome. I'm very excited to have a therapy situation sponsoring my videos because I love therapy. Therapy has changed my life. BetterHelp will help you find the right therapist. If you don't like the first one you are matched with, you can switch free of charge. They will help you find the right one. They will help you get the help you want and deserve, and I just think it's awesome. So thank you, BetterHelp, for sponsoring. Now I'm kind of at a stand. I don't know. The thing was, since Milo, okay, hold on. I'll be back to chat, but let me enter the vlog that was previously filmed. I feel like this is gonna be confusing. This is future Amy. Now we're gonna go to the past. Journey to the past. Hi guys, it's a totally different day now. It's actually several days later. I don't even remember when I started that vlog. I did get a haircut yesterday. Feels very nice and fresh. And she thins my hair for me too, so my head just feels so much better. It's Thursday. I've been trying to get outside in the garden all week. I have some time now. Milo's napping. Bradley's here. He's gonna help me plant an orange tree that we got at Costco. I have some more potatoes to plant because you may recall the potatoes we planted in last month. Nope. Well, Bradley's here too. Say hey, babe. But you may remember the potatoes we planted in okay, here we go. You may remember, nope, here we go. You may remember the potatoes we planted in my last vlog. They've already sprouted and they're doing pretty good. And they're coming up kind of randomly. Like, I don't know if those two will come up. I did try to plant, you know, you can see what I tried to do. But like, for instance, this one just came up. But I haven't planted any actually past back there and then the rest of the bed. So I have more potatoes to plant. Bradley is weeding and getting rid of all of those wildflowers that bloomed that I loved. I mentioned we did get an orange tree at Costco. If you find citrus trees at Costco, I always say do it because they're like, I think this was $27. And I have had luck with both my lemon and lime trees from Costco. And this,
you have to buy potting mix from Costco. That big bag was like $8.
Yeah. If they have it, definitely. This was a lemon tree that actually my friend gave me. She moved across the country and she was like, my lemon tree needs a good home. Would you like it? And I was like, yeah. And it came with this really cute pot. And I didn't even ask her where she got it. I just was impressed with it. And then I saw it, the same pot at Lowe's. So we picked that up and we'll put the orange tree in it as well. It's a dwarf orange tree, so I figure a pot will be good for now at least. A little morning in the garden while the baby sleeps. Good. Got a little buddy here in this playpen. I am attempting to do a little bit of meal prepping. I don't think I'm gonna get as much done as I wanted to because he's just not that happy in there, but I am, exhibit A. But I am making some turkey meatballs. I think I've mentioned this, that I just make a full batch, which I don't even know, makes a lot of meatballs, and I just put them in the freezer and then I take them out when I want them, put them in the oven at 350 for 10 minutes, and then they taste incredible. So I'm making that for us for dinner tonight, and then obviously I'll freeze the rest. I also picked this zucchini from our garden that I would love to roast up for Milo tonight, if he'll allow me. If you only knew I was making you food. Oh. All right, well, I better get to work. Sunday now. Happy Sunday. I actually woke up this morning, went grocery shopping, and then came home and like hella deep cleaned the fridge and stocked it. Like I took out every drawer, every nook and cranny, and I deep cleaned it. And so it looks good. I hope I have the stamina to do the freezer later, but this looks incredible. And now we are leaving to go to Milo's first swim lesson. I'm very excited. We're doing a group situation with my brother and his niece and some of their baby friends. We got a ponytail in for the occasion.
I need one.
But yeah, we have this, and it's Sunday, so we're gonna get in and out, and then tonight, Bradley is off all day. We're making chicken and dumplings. It's a little warm for soup, but I don't care. I want it. Yeah. Let's go swimming! Good evening. Got my clippers, my little harvesting basket. It's really nice out. It is the evening. We just put Milo down a little bit ago, and there's no harsh sun, and it feels nice out here. So I was like, let's harvest some things. I have some corn ready. There's some tomatoes ready, a purple pepper, a cucumber. So let's harvest. Okay, so I think I pulled this way too soon. There's like some kernels that are like ready to go, but this just looks underripe. Again, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm glad I only picked 2, but I read that when the hair goes brown, you can pick them. So let me know. This is the variety peaches and cream corn, but regardless, like, I grew corn. I'm so excited. And then this is my harvest for the evening. It's so colorful. I'm so excited. There is hard water spots on everything. I want to figure out irrigation so I don't get water on the plants. But we have lots of grape tomatoes and then some cherry tomatoes. My first lemon boy tomato, which I'm very excited about. 2 snacking peppers, a purple bell pepper, didn't get very big, but I'm still excited. And then some jalapenos, which Bradley just said he wants to have homemade pizza night and he wants to use those in some sort of pizza. So there's that. I also planted this a couple of weeks ago and it's doing really well. I just put it in a pot. It's some, I think Bradley threw away the tag, but it's some sort of like smaller yellow tomato. And I have little baby ones and I'm so excited. I just want as many tomatoes as possible because that's what we go through the most. I do have some cucumbers that I think I overdid. I don't know. Well, this one I know for sure I let go too far. It's turning yellow. But this one, do I pick it? Do I let it go? It's supposed to be like a long, dark green one, but I have no idea. I also think I've been overwatering this bed. I don't know, you guys. Again, I truly have no idea what I'm doing. We do have some pomegranates, absolutely stunning. And my ginormous red bell pepper is finally turning green. I also have an orange one. I just plucked the purple, but I have another small one that's not quite all the way done yet. But yeah, I will let the corn that's still in there do more of its thing. I'm really bummed that I picked it too early, but I read online to pick it when the hair is brown, and that's what I did. And my watermelon plant has been getting a few little flowers, so I'm excited about that. Okay, also, we're in our side yard. I don't think I've ever vlogged over here. So, you've seen the catastrophe of the succulent. A big chunk fell off and we were saving a lot of pieces. A lot of them died before we got to do anything with them. But this one started growing new sprouts without anything. So I'm definitely keeping this one, gonna put it in the ground. But I just thought that was so cool. Look at this. That's so neat. What's the Jurassic Park line? Life finds a way. Hello, friends. I've never like properly filmed out here before. It's nice lighting. Got my trees behind me. First time I washed my hair since I got it cut, which is lovely. So it's been a rough day. We're not positive, but we think Milo has COVID again. We found out we were exposed on Saturday. Today is Wednesday. Oh, my husband's joining me. We were exposed Saturday.
Jesus.
Today is Wednesday. Last night he wouldn't eat his milks, and so I kind of knew something was up, and then he was up for a while and I could hear the gunk and I was starting to get worried, and I barely slept because I was so worried about him. And then of course when we got him up this morning he started babbling and
the dog
he just
wants attention.
Also, by the by, in the beginning of this vlog I complained about the grass and I didn't show you, and while it still looks really bad, it looks better because Bradley's dad, who we refer to as Dad Brad, came over and fixed our sprinklers. So, oh my god.
Ludo, what are you doing?
So yeah, Ludo's feeling a little deprived because he was not the main focus of attention today. But anywho, Milo got up, I could hear the gunk. He has like some crusty snot, but it's mostly just like this gunk in his chest that he's coughing up. And honestly, it's how his COVID started. He just had a gunkness and a terrifying cough. Me and Bradley have tested negative for the past 3 days. We even tried to test Milo this morning. We barely got that thing up his nose, but we ran it anyway and it said negative. Rough. So I don't know. I know that like people take days after they even have their first symptom to test positive, so we are going to keep testing. COVID or not, having a sick baby is the worst. I'm just sitting here with my basket of goodies. Bradley just took cookies out of the oven.
Look at that.
A nice ending to a hectic day. So yeah, Bradley just did dishes. I'm gonna go do bottles after I eat my cookies, of course.
Of course.
I want to watch Only Murders in the Building. We're loving that. And then of course Liz Lemon, 30 Rock after that. We watch that every
As Amy
night.
calls the show.
I just call it Liz Lemon. I don't know why. I find Liz Lemon very relatable and I love it. Shall we have cookies?
Let's do it.
Love you, honey.
Love you. Sorry. Let's go!
Pluto desperately needs a haircut.
We should need to like, yeah, he can't see. We should cut that.
I love you.
I love you too, Mom.
Thank you.
Now let's go crazy.
No, let's have cookies. Hello, we're back to this Amy. I was planning on ending this one here and like starting a new vlog. Because Bradley is staying home from hockey camp for now. The two of us are still testing negative. I've taken 4 tests at this point. Like I just took one this morning because I do feel it in my throat. It still said negative. So I was going to start a new vlog of like things we're doing around the house while we're quarantining because, you know, we still don't want to pass on what Milo has. But now I'm afraid that like I will get sick and then I won't be in the mood to like finish that video. But I guess I could at least start it. So that's what we'll do. We'll finish this video here. I will maybe there will be a quarantine vlog. Maybe there won't be. It'll be a surprise for everybody. But if we don't get sick, we have some good things planned around the house. Finally getting to the furniture that we are planning to flip. We're gonna do a Lowe's pickup today to get some of the things we need, and we'll just see. So I'll end this here. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you again to BetterHelp for sponsoring. Again, my link will be down below if you want to click and get 10% off your first month of therapy. I'll maybe see you, well, I mean, I will see you in another vlog. It just might not be like a quarantine COVID vlog because maybe I'll get sick. I don't know, but I will see you soon again. Yeah, love you guys and I'll see you soon. Bye.